Alright, so today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to extract an object, sounds, and route. Yesterday I did a tutorial on how to extract a route. So today's tutorial, once again, we're going to learn how to extract an object, sound, and routes. So let's get started. So what you want to do is technically open your file. Like I said, if you don't have WinRAR, it won't work. So once that happens, you want to come on over to your openbve add-ons folder, right? You got your objects, you got your routes, your sound, and your training. I was taught different, and this is the way I do it, the way it'll be easier probably for you guys. Make sure that you have object, route, sound, and training spelled correctly, or it will not work. Things will probably start missing. So what you want to do is open up your file. You see how you got your sound, your route, and your object. So I'm going to open up my objects folder. All my objects folder has all my objects where I'll be replacing and extracting my objects. So what I'm going to do is simply do this and simply drag it into my objects folder. Now, as you see, it's extracting into my objects folder, as you see. Now, it might take a little bit longer because I already have the objects in there already. So give me some time so I can start my next process of how to extract your route. All right? All right. Now, as you see, all my objects got extracted and simply placed into my object folder. So we're going to click out of that. Now we're going to go to sound, right? I'm going to go into my sound folder. This is all my sounds. All your sounds should be simply into a sound folder. I'm going to directly drag it and directly extract it into my sounds folder. Now, like I said, I already have most of these sounds in my sound folder already. And as you see how it saves the same thing, is because I already have these sounds already in my sound folder. So now the last it will release will be technically my routes. So now what you're going to do is technically click out of that. You're going to go to your route. These are your two routes. I did the northbound A and C route. So what I'm going to do is directly, hold on, let me, I'm gonna make a new folder because I like to keep my routes organized. I'm going directly to call this northbound A and C. Bam. So I'm going to click on that and I'm going to directly drag it over, and as you see, it extracted from WinRAR into my route folder. So now, like I said, make sure you have WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, it would not simply work, because I don't know how a lot of people extract their files. A lot of people do it different, but the way I was taught, this is the way I was taught to technically extract. So like I said, when you download a route, right, and you got objects, sounds, and routes, and you're extracting your objects, you want to make sure that you're extracting your objects into your objects folder. Once you've done, you're extracting your routes into your routes folder. You're extracting your sounds into your sounds folder. And same thing with simply with trains as well. You want to make sure you're extracting your train into your trains folder. You feel me? That's how you want to make sure how you do it. So yeah, I hope this tutorial helps you a lot. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned. This will be my last tutorial because I really don't have anything else to make tutorials on. But if you guys want to learn how to make tutorials, if you guys want to learn how to do TFOs and coding sounds, check out Just BVE. I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can check out his website. Alright, man. Stay tuned.